Video is universal and allows people around the world to communicate and exchange ideas. By delivering a wide array of programming to YouTube, the NBA will be able to connect with its existing worldwide fan base and reach a vast new audience that is passionate about basketball. Running helped me learn how to deal with failure, and failure is a big part of the internet business. Whenever you're the leader in any industry, you get more headlines. Unfortunately, I think YouTube is going down the route of rewarding the select few around content creation, be it with partnerships or with ways of funding original content. When people are making the decision to put a piece of content online, they really do truly want to get it in front of the largest audience. I think a platform such as YouTube has to respect local laws and customs. People think about the world of TV and the world of online video as being different ways to distribute video. But what happens when every TV is connected to Wi-Fi with a browser? YouTube provides a unique opportunity for all musicians to market and promote their music and directly engage their fans. I feel like there's a lot of noise in the social space. The Vines and Instagrams of the world are gaining traction, and their solutions are perfect for their communities. I'm probably not creative or talented enough to create an especially compelling piece of content, but I really do enjoy watching a great movie or TV show. Everyone wants to be recognized. Video is the most interesting and engaging way to share an idea with others. More than simply capturing brief moments in time, Mixbit helps people bring stories to life. YouTube is committed to balancing the needs of the fan community with those of people want to see something authentic. If it's too polished and highly produced, people might not trust it as much. If it's grainy, if it's coming from a webcam, if it's someone standing there and talking their mind or sharing their thoughts, people trust it much more. In Delicious case, it's a great brand that belongs in Silicon Valley. The whole purpose of Mixbit is to reuse the content within the system. When you have a model that's worked very well, it's very hard to change. The one thing with the established and traditional media industries is that whenever something new comes along, they don't know what to make of it, and the natural reaction is to fight it or push back. The iPhone will maybe become more of a video conferencing experience. You pick up your phone, you answer it, you'll be talking to someone looking at their face. You launch a site, and you see what works, and you continue to make it better.